Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and here we get the new preview update in Windows 11 laptop and desktop. Okay, if we go in settings and go in Windows update, so you can see 2025 11 preview update KB5070311 is available to download and install. And guys, the size of this update is 4278 MB, so it will take several minutes to download. And if you want to know more about this update, simply click on get help. And in search bar, write it over there and click enter. And here you can see December 1 2025 KB5070311. Click on it, and here you can see this is the OS builds and preview of this update, and this is the announcements and messages, and this is the highlights. This update is available through two release phases: gradual rollout and normal rollout. A gradual rollout delivers an update in phases, so features reach devices over time instead of all at once, meaning availability varies by device. A normal rollout is the broad release to all eligible devices at the same time, usually when it reaches general availability. And you can see in gradual rollout, Copilot plus PC experiences and Windows 11 PC experiences will improve. As you can see, Copilot and AI powered Windows 11 PC experiences along with improvements and fixes. And in normal rollout, as you can see, here you can see notifications which is fixed after the latest updates. Explorer.x might stop responding, leading to the taskbar becoming unresponsive after certain notifications. And you can see search indexer which is also fixed. This update addresses an issue where file explorer might not search certain SMB server message block shares after the latest updates. And security which is fixed. This update addresses an issue that affects local security authority subsystem services. LSASS and LSSS could become unstable due to an access violation. And you can see settings fixed. This update addresses an issue when settings might unexpectedly close when navigate to settings, privacy and security, microphone, camera or location pages after the latest updates. And you can see this is, and guys, you can see this is a non-security update for Windows 11. And here we have stack update of Windows 11. Known issues in this update, as you can see, file explorer might flash while with a white screen in dark mode, and password icon might be missing or invisible in the lock screen sign in option. And you can how to get this update, and this is the file information. Okay, now close it. So guys, you can see the 2025 11 preview update KB5070311 is available to download and install. So just go to your Windows 11 Windows update and download and install this update. When you download this update, it will take several minutes to download this update, and after downloading, the restart may required and it will take 3 to 5 minutes to complete the installation. Okay guys, I just want to inform you that this is the preview update, which is a important update which is available to download and install. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.